Racing to me is passion, the competition. You know, this is all I know, to be completely honest. I started racing when I was 7 years old in go-karts. It was always a crazy dream that I'd be here. You know, it had to pinch myself. It started as a family hobby, something my parents and I used to do on the weekends. My brother involved also, but I got the bug, and you know, I always said I wanted to be a professional race car driver, and 20-some years later, here we are. And it's been a wild roller coaster, so to speak, in this motorsports world, as everyone obviously knows. But racing is everything to me. It's passion, it's competition, it's a pure adrenaline rush for me. So beyond grateful for the journey and looking for the future.